everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box for October of 2020. Before we get started, if you are not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimmies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below. If you have not yet, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. All right, let's go ahead and get into my Allure beauty box for October of 2020. Now, I will say this. They did raise the price, I believe, this month. They did give the current subscribers the option to upgrade to an annual subscription, and that kept the old price. I believe it's now $23 a month. I will tell you that I did take a sneak peek in here and I'm kind of disappointed, but let's go ahead and get into it and I will let you know why. So here is the box. There is a card that always has a beautiful human being on the front, absolutely gorgeous, and there is all the products right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be pulling out the items and then reading to you from the little booklet what it says about the items that are in the box, and then we'll touch on my thoughts as far as their price raising and, yeah. All right, let's go ahead in. This first item right here is from Roche Posay. This is the Lipikar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. So this says, well, that's what it looks like first and foremost. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out. So that is it right there. This is half an ounce and or 15 milliliters. Full size is 400 milliliters. So this is the Roche Posay Lipikar Balm AP Plus. Okay, it says at Allure, we talk a lot about basic moisturizers, simple formulas that make skin glow without the extra stuff, like fragrances that can dehydrate or create sensitivity. La Roche-Posay's pared back formula fits the bill. It's gentle enough for eczema-prone skin and babies, but effective enough that it got rid of a stubborn, flaky patch where my ring rubs against my pinky. It's rich and creamy, yet unassuming after it's been applied. There's no slippery feel and no strong scent to compete with my perfume. After using it, my arms and legs are soft and my hands are pre-pandemic level smooth. From Elizabeth Siegel, Deputy Beauty Director. And the cost for this is $19.99 for 400 milliliters. So it does not have a safety seal on it, but we're going to go ahead and put this back in the box. So this is not a full-size product. All right, so let's pull this. What's this? Well, let's pull this out next because it's on this page. This is from Wilma Schumann European Skincare, and it's a hydrating collagen eye pads, and it's one packet, so one pair. So it's a one-time use. All right, so this is the Wilma Schumann Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. I'm sure I'm not the only person who has awakened in the middle of the night with anxiety lately, trying to recall if I put on hand sanitizer before touching my face, or tossing because I feel a tickle in my throat. When I finally climb out of bed, I've got panda eyes, which is even more obvious on video calls because of the unflattering overhead lighting in my home. I've taken to putting on these eye pads first thing in the morning while I meditate. The gel feels cooling and the pads are soaked in hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen to help plump skin temporarily. After 20 minutes of wearing them while listening to uplifting mantras via an app, I'm left with a sense of calm and a face that looks halfway rested. And it's JC, I think that's the beauty editor. It's $18 for 5 of them, and there's one in here. Yeah, Jessica Cruel. So yeah. Let's keep going. Okay, I've turned to the front to look up Jessica's name. This is the new Topical C, and it's just a white box. I'm going to go ahead and pull this open. See what the inside looks like. Ooh. I'm very confused. It's powder. I'm very, very confused. Okay, so it's a glass bottle with a bunch of powder in it. I don't know. Okay, let's read from the book because I just got it all over my shirt. Oh my golly. Yeah, it's all over my shirt. That's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and read what it is because I don't understand this at all. This is the new Topical C. I have tested dozens, if not hundreds, of serums, and many are too heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond any usual moisturizer and eye cream routine. But the new Topical C has changed the game. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water, and it lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. It is the skincare equivalent of those expensive boosts advertised on smoothie shop menus. I add a few shakes of this powder to a gel moisturizer and get skin that looks a whole lot brighter without any breakouts. That's from Sam Escobar, digital editorial director. And this says it's $70. It says 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mixed with water. Apply to clean skin daily. Use code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from October 1st through December 1st. Is this $70? I don't know. I'm just very confused by it. But, all right. It's all over the back of my hand. It's all over my shirt. It's cool. All right. Let's go to the next page in the book. So this is the next item in here. This is the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. That is what the packaging looks like. Just very simple. So this says the Verso Super Eye Serum. If you're the type of person who remembers to use eye cream every day, you're probably also a pro at keeping plants alive. There's no excuse for my perpetually wilted ficus? But the reason I rarely use eye cream is because 95% of the ones I've tried make my eyes water, create little bumps around my lids, or fail to deliver noticeable benefits. But the Verso Super Eye Serum is among the rarefied 5%. The lightweight texture doesn't irritate my eyes, even with retinol as a star ingredient, and the applicator enables me to apply pinhead-sized dots of product, which I pat in with my ring finger directly on my under eyes. After using this serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple and my under eye bags were less puffy. That's from Diana Mazzone, Senior Beauty Editor. It says that this is $65, and it's on versoskincare.com. Enter Allure X Verso at checkout to receive 15% off your order from October 1st through November 30th. All right, so it's just got a little, applicator. I don't know that I believe that that's 65. Is that $65? That's a lot of money. Okay. This is a pretty shade. This is from Static Nails, the Liquid Glass Lacquer in Irene, and it is the shade Irene. It's super pretty. It's almost like a nude, pinky nude. I think it's pretty. Okay, this says, I, a person who used to get gel manicures bi-weekly, have shifted to doing my own nails. I don't really wear nail polish. I always want to. I have the best intentions, but I just never set aside this time to do it. Irene has become an unexpected favorite. I typically stay away from nudes, but this color looks like a dusty rose against my fair skin, which brings out my warm undertones and feels more exciting than beige. The first swipe goes on sheer, but the cruelty-free formula, which doesn't contain questionable ingredients like formaldehyde or toluene, layers into a semi-opaque finish. Also, it applies so thin that I feel like it dries extra quickly. From Kara McGrath, Deputy Editor, $16, staticnails.com. Enter Allure25 at checkout to receive 25% off your order from October 1st through October 31st. So if you want to use that code, do it quickly. So, yeah. Okay. The next item in here is this little guy right here from Dr. Jart. This is the ceramidin. It does not have a safety seal. None of this stuff has had safety seals on it. So that is the packaging right there. Okay. This is the Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin Cream. When I was working my first beauty job, I thought moisturizers were just supposed to hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The Ceramidin line uses a blend of ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells, so precious moisture can't escape. The cream also has botanical extracts like artichoke, smooths fine lines, and turmeric for antibacterial. It spreads like soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as the saran wrap of my skin routine when moisture gets trapped in for the day ahead. From Brennan Kilbane, a senior writer, and it says the price is $48. I don't think this is full size though. Does it say what size this is? It's 1/3 of an ounce. And looks like the full size is 1.69 ounces. So $48, I'm sure, is the full size price. us.drjart.com. Enter Allure25 at checkout to receive 25% off your purchase of this cream specifically from October 1st through December 1st. So, okay. There's one more thing, and then there's like the bonus. Every once in a while, they'll put like an ad on the back, and then like that will be like a bonus item. So I'm going to go ahead and put the last item in here, and then we'll talk about the bonus item. So this is a little mini Sigma lipstick in the shade Venom. And this is the Sigma liquid lipstick in Venom. I don't have a lot of Sigma makeup products. I love my Sigma brushes. I only have a couple of them, but I love them. So, all right, so that is a really pretty red shade. If you guys can see that. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Okay, so it says, at a time when long wear has become work wear, a little lipstick can go a long way toward making me feel more put together on a Zoom call. Venom is a classic red, not too orange, with blue undertones. When it comes to bold shades, I prefer a liquid formula that I don't have to constantly touch up. This one goes on with a velvety consistency that is the opposite of drying. That's because it's not a matte. It's satin. But what's most impressive is the staying power. When the color did start to fade after I started eating, it happened gracefully without leaving behind those crumbly bits you can sometimes get after your liquid lipstick has stayed on too long. From Jihan Forbes, hair editor. Price is $20 at sigmabeauty.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from October 1st through November 30th. So, alrighty then. The last item in here is like a little bonus foil pack. This is the Rusk Pure Mix Hair Care. And it's Pure Mix Hair Care, at Pure Mix Hair Care. So you can get it at Ulta. You can receive 20% off your Pure Mix purchase using Allure 20 off, the words 20 off, well, the number 20. So the word Allure, the number 20, and the word off. From October 1st through November 30th. It says, our blend of fig, vitamin C, E, and calcium gently cleanses and replenishes hair moisture levels while softening and detangling, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty. So, just a little bonus foil pack, shampoo and conditioner. All right, let's go back over the items, and then I will let you know what my thoughts are. I've kind of already said I was a little disappointed, but the little foil pack, which is like a bonus item, the one set of eye gels, the moisturizing cream, and then the second moisturizing cream, right? That's kind of what they said, right? 2 moisturizers. The vitamin C powder, which I'm still confused by. The eye serum, which is probably one of my favorite things that is in here, depending on if it works well. The mini Sigma lipstick, and then the nail polish. So here's my thing. They said they were raising the price to $23 from $15. And they said that by doing that, they were going to start providing some full-size products and, you know, higher quality, that kind of thing. They already did a good job like before. Allure's always been one of my favorites, and they've always done really good. Like, they've always had the Roche Posay products. They've always had Dr. Jart products. They've had like really high-end products in their box pretty much every single month. So these are not any like higher end than what they've already had. They said that they're going to start putting full-size products in here. I think that this is probably a full size. The Topical C is probably a full size. The nail polish might be full size. I'm not sure. This is 0.4 ounces. It says $16, 12 milliliters, 0.4 ounces. I know that the other skincare items, the Roche Posay is a sample size. I know that the Dr. Jart is a sample size, and the Sigma lipstick is not a full size lipstick either. So that being said, I'm kind of disappointed in this being their first box where they said that they were going to add in some more full-size products, etc., etc. I mean, you can get BoxyCharm for $25 a month, and you get more than this. You don't get more items, but you get bigger, like you get 5 full-size products in BoxyCharm for $25 a month. This was $23. I mean, technically I signed up for the annual subscription, so I only paid $165 for 12 months. But this is supposed to be $23 worth of products, and I'm just a little disappointed. I'm a little disappointed. So I hope Allure steps it up as they move forward. And I mean, Allure's always been one of my favorites. I thought it was definitely worth it for $15, but for $23, I'm not so sure about that. I mean, I'm signed up for the year, so I'm going to get through next September, obviously. But I'm not real sure about this being worth $23. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. Well, that is going to be it. Those are my thoughts. They just are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated. If you'd like to go ahead and hit subscribe, I do appreciate that as well. And if you have any comments, feel free to put those in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you all whenever I can. So that's going to be it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.